Here's some vitamin E benefits trivia. Subscribe. What does vitamin E primarily act as in the body? Is it A, blood thinner, B, antioxidant, C, hormone regulator, or D, energy booster? The correct answer is B, antioxidant. In which fruit is vitamin E notably found? Is it A, banana, B, orange, C, avocado, or D, apple? The correct answer is C, avocado. What type of fats require vitamin E for proper absorption? Is it A, trans, B, unsaturated, C, hydrated, or desaturated? The correct answer is B, unsaturated. What skin benefit is attributed to vitamin E? Is it A, skin brightener, B, moisturizer, C, acne treatment, or D, sunscreen? The correct answer is B, moisturizer. Which vitamin aids in the reproduction of red blood cells? Is it A, vitamin A, B, vitamin C, C, vitamin E, or D, vitamin D? The correct answer is C, vitamin E. What is the recommended daily intake of vitamin E for adults? Is it A, 40 milligrams, B, 10 milligrams, C, 15 milligrams, or D, 20 milligrams? The correct answer is C, 15 milligrams. Which form of vitamin E is most biologically active? Is it A, delta tocopherol, B, alpha tocopherol, C, beta tocopherol, or D, gamma tocopherol? The correct answer is B, alpha tocopherol. Which group of foods contains the highest amount of vitamin E? Is it A, seeds, B, grains, C, fruits, or D, dairy? The correct answer is A, seeds. What is the role of vitamin E in immune response? Is it A, enhances immunity, B, increases blood pressure, C, stimulates hair growth, or D, impairs digestion? The correct answer is A, enhances immunity. What process in cells is vitamin E known to stabilize? Is it A, cytosolic enzymes, B, nuclear DNA, C, mitochondrial proteins, or D, cell membranes? The correct answer is D, cell membranes. Thanks for watching. Comment with how many questions you got correct. Should we make the next video have easier or harder problems? Was the difficulty just right? Do you have suggestions for future trivia topics? Don't forget to drop a like and sub if you enjoyed the video.